Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create edge section profile as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go polyline, PL enter, 200, 10, 90, 280, 90, 10, 200, 10, 90, 280, 90, close, C, enter. Okay, now go fillet, radius 15, okay, now go hatch, enter, select hatch pattern, associative click, annotative click, hatch scale 60, enter, click internal point, enter. Okay, now go block, B, enter, block name H profile, select object, enter, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, go parameters, base point, select, click here, parameter linear, repeat linear, select parameters, go properties, number of grips 1, select distance 1 parameter, rename, length, enter, select distance 2, rename, width, enter. Okay, now go actions, stretch, select width parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect, hatch, enter, action, stretch, select width parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect, hatch, enter, action, stretch, select length parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect, hatch pattern. Okay, enter, action, more, select length parameter, parameter point, select base point, enter, select more, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, select stretch 1, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, now save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see, stretch, 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 rotation 90, 45, 45, 0. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.